and possibly a lab on it. You don't need to actually have, and we'll see this in the lecture, you don't need to actually have an Amazon Echo machine for it. There's a simulator stuff right there. Now the other thing I'll do for us is to, as usual, try and give some sort of demo. And I'm going to show you just an extension to what I've just been sort of doing recently with voice control of things at home. We'll just quickly sort of through this together. Just in the last second. Where it's going to demonstrate just in the video that I quickly threw together on a phone last night, controlling your home media with the Echo, down to the idea where you can just say, play this film, and that sort of thing appears, or play this music, and that one sort of appears within it. I'll be using this Amazon Alexa to sort of do it with, so you can sort of do it on that or one of the Echo Dots. The software that's the media controller, something called Plex, which I put on the home server connected to discs full of different types of media, whether it's film or music, TV, all that sort of thing for it. And the way in which they sort of interconnect, you speak to your Echo, which relays it out to the Amazon cloud, which comes back out to the Plex cloud, which is in touch with your home server to relay whatever you ask for out to your home server, and then that's passed on to your home TV to sort of play. But I will just give you a quick demo. It's easier to sort of see it in action. Put this on the PC just to make it a bit, and we can actually get the sound, I think. It's only a little 1 minute thing. And there doesn't seem to be any sound. That's good. You show you sort of a voice control and you can't hear the voice.
Plex, stop. Alexa, turn off living room light.
So these are the sort of things I've demonstrated already, I think.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on living room light.
Okay.
Alexa, ask Plex, play Kill Bill 2.
Enjoy watching Kill Bill, Volume 2 on Fire TV.
Alexa, ask Plex, stop.
Okay, goodbye.
Alexa, ask Roomba, start cleaning. Alexa, ask Roomba, stop cleaning.
Unstop your Roomba.
Alexa, trigger bedtime.
Setting the tune.
The bedtime signal shuts everything down.
Alexa, Trigger wake up room.
Setting the turret.
I mean, that's basically all there was to it. It was only just demonstrating some of the. I was just demonstrating, again, sort of use of different objects around through voice control. Hopefully, if you haven't got some of the lab exercises this week, you can maybe try that sort of thing yourself. I'm just going to go over. Can we have a bit of general quiet, please? I'm going to go over today just a bit more on how you actually do this thing yourself for it, to sort of get it round. Now you can have a go at it from the labs this week. There's a little online tutorial at Amazon to show you how to do it. And I'll quickly just sort of hopefully try and get one in. It's only a 5-minute demo. Although there was a little bit of an issue I had in running the demo, you actually have to change some of the specs from what it's suggesting to move from US English to UK English, and where the actual server is that's controlling these as well. So there's a little sort of potential issue there to mention in it to get started on it. But in terms of what was happening, just going back to that diagram. We had the Alexa, as I say, sort of sending out that when I said something like start or ask Plex, start Kill Bill. That message sent out to the Amazon cloud, which recognises that I'm asking a certain user, a certain skill, it's what's called a skill, and then some sort of keywords. Start has been a keyword, and the sort of phrase to doing it. Now those are passed over to the Plex cloud, which knows that I'm logged in as a certain user. It knows that I'm sort of Nick. That thing's sent over to the cloud with sort of saying Nick says this. The Plex cloud's authorised to use my account. So the message sent through to the Plex cloud, which knows where my home server is, so can then send a message through to the server saying play Kill Bill 2. Now what's also sent in the background is which TV to play it on. You can sort of specify which TV to put it on. So then that's sent streaming to the home TV. Now this sort of diagram might be tempting to get a bit familiar with say the sorts of things asking you to do in the assignment, where you're tracing round where the messages go. Okay, so just a bit here on building some of the skills with Echo and what you sort of have to put together. Now, as I say, this is a bit of voluntary sort of stuff, not strictly needed for your assignment, but there's no reason why you can't link this into your assignment. You could have voice control of some of those home devices to it, and hopefully get some ideas what's sort of in here. Alexa consisting of a range of these things now, from the sort of home speaker there at the front through to the little mini Echo dots. They've got this Echo Tap, which doesn't have a power cord into it. It's battery powered, but isn't listening all the time. You press a button to activate it, and then give your voice command. The Echo Show ones are just coming on sale now. So same sort of thing, but with a screen built into it, put it there. And what Amazon, their sort of way that they're pushing them, is either to offer their software services so that you can write skills for the existing Amazon Echo, or they're writing these voice services to enable other manufacturers to build this sort of thing. To build this sort of thing into their own equipment. So if you're an equipment manufacturer and want to build voice recognition into your actual device, they'll sell you the software to build into your actual device, so you don't need to link direct to, you don't have to have an Amazon Echo or something like that. It'll communicate in the background for you. For it. There's quite a few people sort of working on that sort of idea to it. So some of the information here, I've been digging a lot of this out from the sort of Amazon site to it. There's a couple of frameworks that you can get into using this. There's the automatic speech recognition one that's picking up on what you're actually saying, and then there's also the natural language understanding, which is trying to put it into some sort of context, the order in which you say things. A bit more sort of artificial intelligence built into it. One is just recognising words, basically. The other one is